Welcome to another episode of CheqMate training. Now today I'm going to show you how to import data from another software into CheqMate. So people ask these questions all the time, whether it is possible to link CheqMate and QuickBook and others accounting software and import those data into CheqMate. So the simple answer is it is possible not to link but import data from other software, right? So now today I'm going to show you how to import data from Excel into CheqMate. So this is the same procedure that you can apply to import from any other software into CheqMate, right? So in Excel you need to create this kind of template. This is the template which is compatible with CheqMate, right? So in this template these columns in this order should be there, right? First column should be date, then the payee, then amount, check number, cross, account number, remarks. So this column order and these columns are necessary to import data into CheqMate, right? So in the date column you're going to put the date, which is the date you need to print on the check, right? And the payee, you're going to put the payee name, right? Whatever the data you put in here, it will be exactly printed as it is, right? The amount should be without any formatting, right? Without comma, without the decimal separator, right? It should be plain number, right? The CheqMate will convert it into appropriate format, right? The check number should be there, and this crossed column is so what you are going to tell CheqMate whether account paying only field should be printed or not, right? So if you put y in here, so that means this check for these details, this check number, account pay only seal will be printed, right? If you put n, that means for no, it won't print the account pay only seal, right? So it's a cash check, if I put no, right? So it won't be crossed, right? This account number is the most important column in this process, because this account number should be exist in the CheqMate, right? So if you open the CheqMate software and go to accounts and manage accounts, this account number, right? This account number as it is with spaces, right? Only the account number, right? Only the account number with spaces and everything as it is should be in the Excel file, because this is the field that you are going to tell which account you are going to print, right? And the remarks, you can put whatever the reasons you are going to pay for these checks, right? So this format, after you created this format in the Excel, you need to save this Excel sheet as a CSV file, right? CSV is a kind of file that used to most of the program. CSV is the file format used to import and export data, right? So now I'm going to show you how to save this into a CSV file. You go to file, save as, and select from this save as type list CSV comma delimited, right? This is not, no, you're not going to select the CSV Macintosh or CSV MS DOS, but the correct format is CSV comma delimited, right? And give the name and save. So the file is already saved, so I'm going to click on yes. Then there will be a message appear whether this, if you save this format, right, all the formatting will be lost, right? Formatting means this bold and etc. You don't need the formatting, we only need the data. So I'm going to click on yes, right? So it's import, so it's saved as CSV file, right? Now I'm going to show you how to import this thing into CheqMate. You go into new and click on this, under this section click on the choose file and select the file. This is the file I save, and click on import. Now it shows all the data that I put in the Excel sheet. These data now imported in the CheqMate. Now but it still is not saved, right? It's only showing, giving you the options to select what are the records you want to save into CheqMate, right? If you want to save all the records, you click on this checkbox here, so it will select all. We want to import only few records like this, right? Only these selected records will be saved, right? Now I'm going to select all and click on save. Now it's those the details. Now it's saved in the CheqMate, right? So now you can create a payment voucher, or you can print. So you can do all the functions that available in the CheqMate.